Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Laura Sokola, and I want you to ask yourself, where do you want to be more influential? Whose attention do you want to capture and know that they're really listening to everything you say? The simple fact is that no matter how smart you are or how much experience you have, people will give you and your ideas their full attention when they perceive you as a leader. I say perceive because leadership is just that, an image. And the way you communicate is going to make or break that leadership image in every conversation, meeting, or presentation. Do you project confidence or insecurity? Do you sound authoritative or hesitant? Do you seem open or closed off? Friends of mine who are style and image consultants like to say that people make judgments about you in the first 7 seconds of meeting you. I say it's the next 7 seconds that matter even more, because that's when you open your mouth and either prove their assumptions correct or prove them wrong. But if you're like most people, you don't actually know how you come across when you speak. And this blind spot is what's keeping you from getting the results you want. So here's your assignment. Video record yourself talking just for a minute or two, and when you watch it, take note of what surprised you, for better or for worse. This is the first step to taking those blinders off and finally getting clear on how to get bigger and better results. These are the kinds of issues I discuss and the assignments I'll give you in my new book, Speaking to Influence: Mastering Your Leadership Voice. For more information and to get hundreds of dollars of free bonus training material and a ticket to my upcoming training event in Philadelphia, check out speakingtoinfluence.com.